Good morning, students. Today's topic is applications of set theory, which is last topic of set theory. First of all, results of applications of sets in problems. First result is number of elements of A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Second is N of A union B is equal to NA plus NB when A and B are disjoint sets. That is, when A and B are disjoint, then A intersection B is equal to phi. Next result, N of A union B is equal to N of A minus B plus N of B minus A plus N of A intersection B. N means number of elements. Next result, NA is equal to N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B. Next, N of B is equal to NB minus A plus NA intersection B. Next is N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection A plus NA intersection B intersection C. N A dash union B dash. A dash means A complement union B complement is equal to N A intersection B dash by De Morgan's law is equal to N of U means universal set minus N A intersection B. Second last, N A dash intersection B dash is equal to N A union B dash is equal to NU minus N A union B. Last result, N A intersection B dash intersection C dash is equal to N A minus N A intersection B minus N A intersection C plus N A intersection B intersection C. Now consider three sets A, B and C. Red color denotes only A and blue color represents C set. Sky blue color represent A and C. Similarly, A and B is shown by yellow color. Now let us solve some examples related to this topic. First example, in a class there are 120 students. That is, N of U is equal to 120 because there are total of 120 students. 35 like drawing. Number of drawing students, that is ND is equal to 35. 45 like music. Number of music students NM is equal to 45. Determine how many of them like either of them or neither of them. The number of students who like both is equal to 20. That is, D intersection M is equal to 20. Number of students who like either of them, that is D union M. N of D union M by first formula, N of D plus N of M minus N of D intersection M. N of D union M is equal to 45 minus 20 is equal to 60. Number of students who like neither, that is NU minus N of D union M is equal to N of U is equal to 120 minus N of D union M, that is equal to 60. 120 minus 60 is equal to 60. Next is, if N of A minus B is equal to 18, n of A union B is equal to 17, and n of A intersection B is equal to 25, then find n of B. Using the formula, n of A union B is equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B plus n of B minus A. Put value of n of A union B, which is equal to 70, n of A minus B is equal to 18 here, and n of A intersection B is equal to 25, n of B minus A, we have to find the value of n B minus A. N of B minus A is equal to 70 minus 43, which is equal to 27. Now n of B is equal to n of A intersection B plus n of B minus A. N of A intersection B is equal to 25 plus n of B minus A is equal to 27. N of B is equal to 52, which is your required answer. Next example, if x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, that is n of x union y is equal to 18. X has 8 elements, n of x is equal to 8. Y has 15 elements, n of y is equal to 15. How many elements does x intersection y have? According to formula, n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Put value of x union y, x and y in the formula. You get n of x intersection y is equal to 5. Example second. If x and y are two sets such that n of x union y is equal to 50, n of x is equal to 28, and n of y is equal to 32. Find n of x intersection y. Here n of x union y is equal to 50, n of x is equal to 28, n of y is equal to 32. Again using formula, n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Put corresponding values and you get n of x intersection y is equal to 10. Next example. In a class of 25 students, 12 have taken mathematics. 8 have taken mathematics but not biology. That is, n of m union b is equal to 25 because total number of students is 25. N of m means 12 have taken mathematics, n of m is equal to 12. 8 they have taken mathematics but not biology, that is n of m minus b is equal to 8. Now n of m union b is equal to n of m plus n of b minus m according to formula. Put value of m union b and n of m in formula. We get n of b minus m is equal to 13. Find the number of students who have taken both mathematics and biology. That is, we have to find n of m intersection b and the number of those who have taken biology but not mathematics, n of b minus m. Each student have taken either mathematics or biology or both. Next is number of students who have taken biology but not mathematics is 13. Also n of m union b is equal to n of m minus b plus n of m intersection b plus n of b minus m. Put corresponding value, solve, you get n of m intersection b is equal to 4,